What's up, guys? It's Dale again. Hey, I haven't done a update in a few weeks, and truth is that's because there's not a whole lot to update you on. As you can see, I actually have started doing a little bit of painting on the bus. The color scheme, as you can tell, is going to be black and gray. I've pretty much got the passenger side painted. I'm probably going to put at least another coat on this. And then as we come around the back, I think the last video I had all the new LED lights put in. Everything works. I got the brake lights working. It turned out that that was just the switch on the pedal was stuck in the in position. I took it off, lubricated it a bit, and everything works fine. There again up top, I took the emergency lights out and I cut some square holes, and those will actually be getting spotlights, the LED spotlights in them. There'll be 4 on the back and 4 on the front. You walk around here, obviously haven't done a lot here this side. I'm really gonna have to take some time and give this a really good sand to make it look halfway decent. It's just, like I say, that wrap was just a mess on it. As you can see, I got the, I think I had these window deletes in the back, and then I've also put 2 more up here in the front, which on my original thought for my floor plan, this is going to be where the refrigerator and the bathroom was going to be, but I'm actually in the process of rethinking that. So let's walk back around here and go inside, and I'll show you what I think I have in mind. Or because, like I said, I really wanted this to be a vehicle that 3 people could stay in. As I say, this is the front floor where the heater and stuff was on the side there. I think that's why it's so rusty here. That plus that vent that goes to the outside. I will be putting a plate over that. I took the heater out that's by the driver's side, and I also took the one over here out, and people will be, all my northern friends will go, well, why did you do that? And the reason is I don't really think I'm going to need it that much. Here it is. What is this? February 16th, 17th, whatever it is. And here in Florida, it's like 82 and sunny. You know, half the day I run around with flip-flops and no shirt on. So anyway, I don't really think I'm going to need it. The only problem I may have, and I wasn't thinking about it when I took this one out, is that kind of disconnects the defrost for the windshield. But I do have a solution in mind for that, which I'll get into later. There again, you know, pretty much the same thing. I did finally get the water tank out of the back, out of the box that it was in, just so I could begin to come up with some measurements. I originally, and I'm still going to put a full-size bed back in the back, across the back like that, and I was hoping to be able to put maybe some type of bunk bed up top, but I don't think I'm going to have enough room to do that. So I'm in the process of rethinking the floor plan. I think what I'm going to do is, there again, the bed will be in the back. The sink and that will still be here. Then the refrigerator. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do here, but I'm not going to put the bathroom in. Actually, the shower is, the plan right now is to actually put it here in the stairwell. What I'll do is take the rubber steps out, tile all that, and then just have a curtain rod that I can put in and out, put a shower curtain, and just take a shower right here in the stairwell. Because there again, it's one of those things where that's a little bit of space that you never really think about using. But I actually saw a bus here about a month ago that stopped by for a quick visit, and that's what they'd done. And I said, you know, that's a pretty smart idea, so I'm still thinking about that. Here, the dinette, originally, and I may still use the bus seats here, but I may actually have to just build a dinette that I can convert into some type of bed, so that if some of the grandkids are with me, you know, I'll be able to have them sleep somewhere. And I may actually put hooks up in the roof so that I can probably have a hammock down through the middle. And then there again, you know, this is where the stove will be, and everything, the cooking. This right now is just, it's a portable AC unit that I had that I've been using because it's hot. You know, I was watching a buddy of mine, Badge, everybody needs one, 50 below in Canada, and that's Celsius, so I don't know what that really is, but anyway, he says it's cold, and if Badge says it's cold, it's cold. Here it's hot. Anyway, so this is it, and the truth is, I got the box truck sitting right here, and we are actually fixing to go on a trip. I leave this coming Friday for the Schoolie Swarm up in Melrose, Florida. That runs for 7 or 8 days, so I'll be up there, and then I'll be headed back down here, and eventually I got a crew coming in to give me some assistance, but things have happened, and because of COVID, their timeline is a little messed up right now. There again, you can see that's the shop a little bit. Trying to keep it clean, but it's hard sometimes. So anyway, y'all be good, stay safe, have fun, and I'll catch you back when I get back from the Schoolie Swarm. Probably do a video while I'm there. Take care. See you later.